So this is me 3D printing the BMO in the Creality slicer 1.2.3, and I just brought this in from Inventor. I saved it as an STL in millimeters because this slicer is in millimeters. I also did a couple test prints at this level, like with all these layer heights and shell thicknesses and stuff, and it turned out pretty good with like pretty solid detail for a small object that I made. So I thought it would work for this, but I just ran out of filament, so I couldn't finish it. And when I replaced the cartridge after it like auto stopped because it was out of filament, when it restarted it never laid any filament down, so I had to end it and just scrap the whole thing. But you'll see video of the process of how it was going and how it looked. I thought it looked pretty good. There was some obvious issues with no structure on the buttons. I don't know if you'll be able to see that in the video. And in the lettering, because there was no support material. On the bottom of them, they had warping issues. And in the video section, I know I didn't record it horizontally, which is my bad. I'll do that in future. But hopefully you like this fail. See ya.